Hello food lovers. Today we are bringing the iconic flavor of South Indian military hotels straight to your kitchen from Food's Memory Kitchen. This mutton liver pepper fry is rustic, intensely aromatic and loaded with fresh curry leaves, crushed peppercorns and garlic. It is perfect spicy starter for your weekend feast. Let's head to the stove. Take the mutton liver. Along with that, have some kidneys and pancreas can be avoided. And make sure that you have that little bit of fat along with the kidney so it gives the buttery flavor. Okay, you have washed it and now add the salt and the turmeric powder and mix it with your hand. This is where the magic touch happens. Only when you do it through the hands and not through any of the spatulas. And this is where the magic touch is going to the liver fry. Don't forget to do it. Now let's on the stove. Keep it for cooking for a few minutes. Let it go for around 20 minutes. In parallel at the side, let's crunch it the garlics and have curry leaves and green chilies just slitted and coriander leaves. Here the garlic and curry leaves can be more if you like that more. You can add more green chilies also based on your taste in terms of spiciness. So let's fry it whatever we are going to cook. To fry it, before that, let's take a pan and then add a little bit of oil, say 2 tablespoons of oil, and let's add the crunched garlic and green chili. Let's stir fry it for a couple of minutes till the garlic tones into brownish, light brownish, and then let's go on add the curry leaves. Here the curry leaves can be more also if you like that oily crunchy curry leaf taste while eating during your feast, of course. And let's add some red chili powder to increase the spiciness and the pepper powder. So if you observe this dish, it is very iconic and special because here we are adding 3 types of spiciness to the dish. One is through the green chili, one is to the pepper, and the other is from the red chili. All 3 different types of spices or spiciness is getting added. Now once the frying is done, you have added the turmeric powder. So and let's add the cooked liver and the kidney, and here there are some pieces of pancreas. You can add or avoid it and add some water and stir it. And let's leave it to cook for a couple of minutes so that it gets dried. Once it is dried, it is ready for your partying or side dishing anytime with your friends or family, and you can just cook it in 20 minutes. Anytime your friends or the families just drops in has a surprise, you can give them a surprise by cooking this non-veg dish quickly. Hope you have liked this. If you have liked it, don't forget to do the SSLC. What is it? Subscribe, share, like, comment. Thank you for watching. See ya!